Alright, picture this, you're sending crypto, right? Sweat beads on your forehead, you double, triple, quadruple check that address. One wrong keystroke, and poof. Your digital gold is gone. Forever. Now, let's say you're dealing with a Newton wallet. You're staring at this string of characters, and a thought creeps in, how many of these things are there? Seriously, how many digits is a Newton wallet address? Sound familiar? Or maybe you're just curious, a digital Indiana Jones exploring the depths of blockchain. Either way, you've landed in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of wallet addresses, specifically those belonging to the Newton ecosystem. We're going to demystify the numbers, unravel the complexities, and hopefully, give you a little peace of mind when you're navigating the crypto world. But before we get to the exact digit count, let's take a step back and understand what a wallet address actually is. Think of it like your bank account number, but on steroids. It's a unique identifier that allows you to send and receive cryptocurrencies on a blockchain network. It's public, meaning anyone can see it, but it's also secure, thanks to the magic of cryptography. Now, not all wallet addresses are created equal. They vary in length and format depending on the blockchain they're associated with. Bitcoin addresses, for example, look different from Ethereum addresses, and both differ from those in the Newton network. This variation stems from the underlying technology and the specific algorithms used to generate these addresses. So, why does the length matter? Well, for a few reasons. First, it affects security. A longer address generally means a lower probability of collision, where two different users end up with the same address. Imagine the chaos if that happened. Second, the length can influence the ease of use. Shorter addresses are obviously easier to copy and paste, reducing the risk of errors. However, shorter addresses can also be less secure. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, Newton wallet addresses. You want to know the digit count, right? Well, it's not quite that simple. You see, Newton addresses, like many modern crypto addresses, aren't just digits. They're alphanumeric, meaning they contain both letters and numbers. This makes them more complex and, arguably, more secure. Specifically, Newton wallet addresses follow a format that aligns with the Ethereum ecosystem, as Newton is an ERC20 token. This means they are typically 42 characters long, starting with 0x followed by 40 hexadecimal characters. Hexadecimal characters include digits 0 to 9 and letters AF. So, when someone asks, how many digits is a Newton wallet address, the accurate answer is, it's not just digits, it's 42 alphanumeric characters in hexadecimal format. Now, you might be thinking, why 42? Why not 30 or 50? The length is determined by the underlying cryptographic algorithms used to generate these addresses. The Ethereum network, upon which Newton operates, uses the KEKAK 256 hashing algorithm. This algorithm produces a 256-bit hash, which translates to 64 hexadecimal characters. However, Ethereum addresses are truncated to 40 characters, with the 0x prefix added to indicate it's a hexadecimal address. This standardization is crucial for interoperability within the Ethereum ecosystem. It allows different wallets and exchanges to recognize and process Newton addresses correctly. Without this standardization, chaos would ensue. But understanding the length is just the beginning. Let's delve into the anatomy of a Newton wallet address. That 0x prefix, for instance, is more than just a random string of characters. It signals to the software that this is a hexadecimal address, allowing it to interpret the remaining characters correctly. The 40 hexadecimal characters that follow are the actual address. Each character represents 4 bits of information, giving us a total of 160 bits, or 20 bytes. This might seem like a lot of technical jargon, but it's essential to understand the underlying mechanics. Now, let's talk about security. You've probably heard horror stories of people losing their crypto due to address errors. One wrong character, and your funds could be sent to an address you don't control, potentially lost forever. This is why it's crucial to double and triple check your Newton wallet address before sending any funds. Always copy and paste the address directly from your wallet or exchange, rather than typing it manually. And if possible, use a wallet that supports address verification, which compares the address you've entered with a known database of valid addresses. Another security measure is to use a hardware wallet. These devices store your private keys offline, making them much more resistant to hacking and malware. When you use a hardware wallet, you're essentially signing transactions with your private key, which is never exposed to your computer or the internet. Now, you might be wondering, are there any variations in Newton wallet addresses? While the length and format are standardized, there can be subtle differences in the way they're displayed or encoded. Some wallets might display the address in uppercase, while others might use lowercase. However, these are purely cosmetic differences. The underlying address remains the same. Another aspect to consider is the concept of vanity addresses. These are addresses that are customized to include specific characters or words, making them easier to remember or recognize. However, generating vanity addresses requires significant computational power and is generally not recommended for security reasons. In the future, with the advent of new technologies, we might see changes in the way wallet addresses are generated and managed. Quantum computing, for example, could potentially break the cryptographic algorithms that secure current addresses, requiring the development of new, more robust methods. However, for now, the 42-character alphanumeric format remains the standard for Newton wallet addresses. So, the next time you're staring at that string of characters, remember that it's more than just a random sequence. It's a unique identifier that allows you to participate in the decentralized world of cryptocurrency. And remember, security is paramount. Always double-check your addresses, use reputable wallets, and consider investing in a hardware wallet for added protection. With a little knowledge and caution, you can navigate the crypto world with confidence. Understanding the underlying mechanics of wallet addresses is crucial for anyone involved in cryptocurrency. It allows you to make informed decisions, protect your assets, and participate in the blockchain revolution with confidence. It's not just about knowing the length, it's about understanding the technology that powers these addresses and the security measures that protect them. We explored the question of how many digits a Newton wallet address has, and discovered it is not just digits, but 42 alphanumeric characters. We also discussed the security, formats, and future of these addresses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.